We're going to sing another, actually, famous Dublin street song this time, called Finnegan's Wake. And actually, we need audience participation in this. Just clap your hands at the old chorus. Tim Finnegan lived in Watling Street, and a gentleman Irish and mighty odd. He had a brogue, both rich and sweet, but to rise in the world he carried a hod. Now Tim had a touch of the tippler's way. For the love of the liquor he was born. Are we ready? And two, at the morning's work each day, he's the top of the creature every morning. One for the dab, that's your partner down the furniture Charlie Street. Wasn't it? The cheap tight town to lots of fun and Finnegan's Wake. One morning Tim felt rather full. His old head felt heavy, and it made him shake. He fell off a ladder, and he broke his skull. So they carried him home, his corpse to wake. They wrapped him up in a nice clean sheet. They laid him out upon the bed, with a nugget of whiskey on his feet, bottle of porter on his head. Wine full of damn, that's your partner down the furniture Charlie Street. Wasn't it? The cheap tight town to like some fun and Finnegan's Wake. His friends assembled at the wake. When Mrs. Finnegan, she called for lunch. First they brought in tea and cakes, then pipe tobacco and whiskey punch. Then the widow O'Brien, she began to cry. Such a lovely corpse did you ever see? Are we ready? Allah, Tim of 40, why did you die? How the wishes of Molly Mickey, went for the cabin and sleep partner down the fortune Charlie Street. Wasn't it? The cheap tight town to lots of fun and Finnegan's Wake. You're out. The widow O'Brien took up the job. Alan she now Biddy, you're wrong, I'm sure. When the other Biddy gave her a box in the gob, and it left her sprawling on the floor. Then civil war did then engage. There was woman to woman and man to man. Legally law was all the rage. Round when the election soon began. One for the dam, that's the partner down the road in Charlie Street. Wasn't it? Two night town to lots of fun and Finnegan's Wake. Mickey Maloney, he ducked his head. When a naggin of whiskey, it flew at him. Well, he ducked, and it falling on the bed, the whiskey, it scattered over Tim. Bedad, he revived. See how he rises. Tim Finnegan rising in the bed, saying, "Riddle out of whiskey and them lick places, tunnel Jesus, do you think I'm dead? Back for the cab, and that's the partner down the floor in Charlie Street. Wasn't it? The cheap tight town to lots of fun and Finnegan's Wake. One for the cab, and that's the partner